got this device, Samsung J700 microphone not working, and we are going to fix this problem. I have opened the device, testing the microphone. There is no sound. Let's check the microphone together. Hello, hello, hello. As you can see, there is no sound of the microphone. Now we are going to tear down the device. Remove the battery and the SIM cards. Then remove all the screws. After that, we are going to heat the screen so we can remove the screen from the frame. It's like they stick together. Removing the screen housing is very annoying. This takes a long time, so there is no way to rush, otherwise you need to break the screen. So stick with the time and be patient. I didn't speed this up because I want to show you this full tutorial on how to tear down and how to replace the microphone. Keep heating and keep pushing. There is nothing I can guide you this through. I meet you in few seconds. It's almost removed. Okay. Unplug audio jack flex cable and the home button. Unplug the screen flex cable. There is one black screw in the middle. Remove it. Now you can detach the board out. Put it in the holder and then bring the new microphone. As you can see, this is the microphone we are going to replace. Bring the heat gun and heat about 430 Celsius degree to remove it. But when you bought it, the new one, I advise to put it to 400, not 430 Celsius. Put flux soldering paste and then bring soldering low melt soldering iron, because we want to put the new microphone faster. We don't need to damage it. This is a low melt solder. It's better for microphones. The soldering heats about 260 degree, like that. Now bring the new microphone, put it in correct position. Okay, it's almost done. We are done now. That's it. Now we can test before full assemble. I know my work, so I'm going to assemble and then test. Now you need to put all things back, including this black screw in the middle. If you have any questions, just write it down in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace. Test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4, test 5. Test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4, test 5.